Hey, namaste everyone. So today we will see what are all the tips which we require to drive a car. So this will be a keyless entry. So there are more advanced keys came nowadays, but this will be the common one. This is the lock, and this is the unlock. Okay, if you press this one, the car will get unlocked, and this one will be the lock key. So whenever a tire punctures, or if you want to replace your tire, then go to the existing tire, you will see a number. So that number says that is the model. Okay, so you can see 155/65 R14. So you take this number and go to any company like MRF, Apollo, or any other company. They will give you the tire. So that will be the exact tire which you need to purchase. And also right now what you are seeing is a dicky area. So most of the cars will have a covering like this. You just need to lift that covering, and then you will see the Stepney and also the equipment to remove the tire. Okay, so what you are seeing here is a jockey, this one, and you just need to unscrew this one so that now you can remove the tire. And this is the spanner which you will be used to remove the screws. So these are the least minimum tools which you require to remove a tire from the car. So this is how you need to do the setup. So first you need to place this jockey so under the body, so that now this portion can hold the body, and then you just need to insert this hook, okay, here, and then rotate it in a one direction, so that so you can use this spanner to remove the tires. For the rotation, if you do that, then car will go up, then after that you can remove the tire. Okay, now most of the cars will have this triangle shape which will have the radium sticker. So in case if it is a puncture, then keep this indicator in case if you are changing at the roadside, if you are doing, so that no other vehicles which are coming will get the attention, so that you will be safe. You can pack this. Okay, so there will be a you can do like this, so that everything will fit in one small cover. Okay, so now most of the cars will give this safety device, not device, thing. For WagonR, if you want to open the dicky front bonnet, then you just need to pull this lever little hard. So it will be at this place for the WagonR. It might be different for other vehicles. So you just need to pull this one. See, now it got opened. So you just need to go front and open the bonnet, and then the next one is car dicky and petrol. So once you pull that lever, what happens is you can see this bonnet will open little, then you will see a lever. Okay, so if I turn this one, see, in that moment, so there is a which will hold that. Okay, you just need to press this one, the right hand side one, so that it will open up. Okay, let's do that. So once you do that, you can lift the bonnet, and it will open. You will see all the engine and other stuff, and there will be a rod. You just need to pull that one. Okay, and then you just need to place it here at this place, so that it can hold the door. And in case if water is over for the spring, for washing window and all, you can pour the water here. So this is the knob. You can close that, and then so